Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Take Me Be Unique, and today we're going to see about how to add emoji or how to insert the emojis on your Canva doc on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add the emojis on your Canva docs on your document on your computer, just going to show in this video. So to add the emojis, you just need a keyboard. No, you have to click on this plus symbol, then just scroll down. You can find a emoji, or you can just search as emoji on the search bar. Just click this. You can find all the emojis, all the reaction emojis. The same process can be repeated. You have the all the different type of emojis here. Just type as emoji and click on this emoji symbol, and here you can find all the, you can also have you can use the skin tone to match if you just need it, or you can just clear this. You can have the category of smiley and people and animals and the calls, food, drinks, everything. So this is how you just insert the emojis on your Canva docs on your document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.